The Scene Installed podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.
So we have, two sides of expertise. Obviously, Pavco with the electrolytic side, the plating side, Hubbard-Hall with the cleaning side of it, and then my experience also with the plating side. But a lot of times it's not just the chemistry. It's there's so many things on the line that you can take a look at, and maybe others may have thrown chemistry at it. Actually, I'm doing a presentation where it shows basically you could throw expensive chemicals at it, but our approach is let's throw people at it. We have a lot of experience between the two companies, and we work as a team, and we can identify problems and correct those problems and hopefully help the customer. At the end, we want them to use our chemistry, but also give them good, consistent parts.
Yeah, we've become a partner with all of our customers. It's not just that we supply them with the chemistry, we partner with them. And so we're with them, whatever problems that they're having, because usually it's either, physical, mechanical, electrical, chemical. So even if it's not, a lot of times I'll say, 80% of my job is proving it wasn't the chemistry, it was something else. But since we're in partners, then we're going to, help them find the problem. So a lot of times we'll find, AC currents or, ripple or, electrical grounds or something like that, that has nothing to do with the chemistry, but it's affecting their process. And so we're there to help with that.
To hear more stories from the field, go to hubbardhall.com or wherever you stream your podcasts.